Hello class, today we are starting another chapter, hydrogen. The chapter number is wrong because I am having an old book. Okay, as per the periodic table which is been given over here, it is been placed, hydrogen is been placed on group 1 and period 1. If we come on its molecular structure, hydrogen is existing in form of molecule, its symbol is H, and molecular formula, symbol of a molecule is H2. Its valency is 1 because it can only lose one electron. Electronic configuration is 1 in K shell. Position in the periodic table, first period, first group. Relative atomic mass is 1, molecular mass is 2, and atomic number is 1. Now, position of hydrogen in a periodic table. Hydrogen is the element with atomic number 1 is being put on first group, first period. But if we see its positions given by Newland and Mendeleev, there is a controversy between them. Mendeleev has put it in first group, whereas the periodic table given by Newland, it has put it along with the halogens, if you remember, right? So because there are certain properties of hydrogen which it is showing resemblance with alkali metal as well as halogens. So Thomson suggested a separate position of hydrogen. So he put it at the top of the periodic table. This does not disturb the symmetry of the modern periodic table. So instead of having a problem over here, they kept it on the top. Hydrogen shows dual nature. And what is a dual nature? It is showing similarities with the group 1A alkali metals as well as halogens group, 17th group or 7A. Now what properties it is showing similarity with the alkali, that we want to see. If we talk about the electronic configuration, you will see that all of them have one electron in the outermost shell. Hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium. That is the first electronic configuration similarity. Second property which we want to discuss is the valence electron. All these elements have one electron in their outermost shell. So they can lose one electron having one valence electron. So valency is same. Now valency, all alkali metals including hydrogen have valency 1 because they can lose one electron to acquire octet. Second is ion formation. Each one of them forms a cation because when they lose electron, they become positively charged particles. Like here we are having hydrogen losing one electron becoming H+. Similarly, lithium also losing one electron and getting one positive charge. Sodium also. So all of these elements are electropositive and they are monovalent cations. The second option, which as per the reduced syllabus we have to see, burning of hydrogen and alkali metals resemblance. Hydrogen burns in oxygen to form water. Hydrogen combines with oxygen to form water, and when hydrogen is burning in this condition, it gives pop sound. Alkali metals also vigorously burn when heated in oxygen to form different types of oxides. Lithium forms monooxide, whereas sodium form peroxide. Potassium, rubidium, cesium form superoxides. Okay, now we are talking about the position and its property resemblance with the halogens. Hydrogen showing similarities. Now, if we see the electronic configuration of all of them, hydrogen is having one electron. To acquire the electronic configuration of nearest noble gas, it requires one electron. Shortage of one electron is there to complete its duplet. Similarly, in fluorine it is 2,7. It requires one electron to acquire the electronic configuration of neon. Similarly, chlorine can acquire the electronic configuration of argon if it gains one electron. So all of them having similar type of electronic configuration. Now valency, their valencies are 1. Thus they take one electron to attain electronic configuration of the nearest inert gas. Now coming to the formation of ions, when they gain one electron, they become anions, monovalent anions with one charge. Hydrogen gaining one electron, changing to helium electronic configuration, but we cannot write it He, we will write H-. Similarly, chlorine and fluorine can also be showing like this way. Okay. Now coming on to the electronegative character. What we are doing? Electronegative character. Yes, hydrogen while gaining one electron, similar to the halogens, become anions. So they become negatively charged particles. So they are having electronegative character. Similarly, if we talk about metallic character, we will say hydrogen is having electropositive character when it lose one electron. Is it okay? Clear? Now, there are certain properties which are different from alkalis, of alkalis and halogens. Hydrogen, in hydrogen only first shell is there, only one shell is there. Whereas in case of alkali metal group 1a and group 17th or 7a halogens, they have two or more than two shells. ठीक है ना? Clear है? Second is oxides of hydrogen. Now if I talk about water, H2O, it is neutral oxide having pH 7 or 7.5 like that. ठीक है ना? What about oxides of halogens? They are acidic in nature, whereas oxides of group 1, they are basic in nature. So these are the three things which are totally different from hydrogen. Does not have these properties, neither similar to alkalis or halogens. Now who discovered it first? Henry Cavendish was there and Robert Boyle. Okay, they called it inflammable gas. Lavoisier later on gave it a name hydrogen, water former. Now where it is found? Hydrogen basically we learn in 8th class, found in combined state on earth, and in free form it is not found here. Very rare, whereas in stars and suns and other region large amount of hydrogen is present over there.